Hello everyone, welcome back to Knit Crow Addict channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an easy crochet headband. I have 3 written patterns for sizes woman small, woman medium and woman large. And today's tutorial I'm gonna show you inside woman medium. It's gonna fit most woman head. And the circumference for size medium is 18.5 inches circumference without stitches. Keep in mind this headband is pretty stitches, so after it's stretched out, it is about 22 to 23 inches circumference, okay? And this is 3.78 inches tall. Alright, I hope you enjoy and let's get started. Here is the material that I use for this project. For this project, you will need size 4 medium weight yarn, and I use red heart or more. This is size 4 medium weight yarn. 100% polyester. This one in color rest 4. In each ball is have 198 yards. I use about 70 yards for this headband. And crochet hook, you need size 4 millimeter. And scissors, yarn needle. And I also use measuring tape as well. For this pattern is in a multiple of 2 plus 1 chain. If you don't know what is multiple of 2 plus 1, so you're gonna make 2 chain, 2 chain, 2 chain, 2 chain, 2 chain until you're happy with the length. And then you're gonna add 1 more chain. That is multiple of 2 plus 1 chain, okay? And the chain that when we start is gonna be the length of the headband, the length this way, and then the row that we make gonna be the circumference, okay? So for me, I'm gonna make 19 chains. So make slip knot first and then make 19 chain loosely. 1 2 3 4 5. I have 19 chain here. So row 1, make slip stitch into the second chain from the hook here. Skip the first chain, okay? Insert the hook into the second chain there. And I insert into the little bump on the back of that second chain. You don't have to do that, totally up to you. After I insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull it through. That is a slip stitch. And then make 1/2 double crochet into the next chain. So I yarn over my hook, insert the hook into the next chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. And then slip stitch into the next chain. So insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull it through. And then make 1/2 double crochet into the next chain. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. And then we're gonna repeat that across. So slip stitch into the next chain, and then 1/2 double crochet into the next chain, slip stitch into the next chain, 1/2 double crochet into the next chain. This is even more stitch, okay? I also have step-by-step video tutorial how to make the even more stitch as well. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link in the description below. So yeah, slip stitch into the next chain, 1/2 double crochet into the next chain. I'm gonna keep repeating that across. Slip stitch and 1/2 double crochet. You should end with 1/2 double crochet. And at the end of row 1, I have a total of 18 stitches across. Row 2, chain 1 and turn, or you can turn first and chain, doesn't matter. And the chain 1 never count as a stitch. And we're gonna make slip stitch into the first stitch here. And then 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. And we're gonna repeat that across. Slip stitch into the next stitch, 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. Slip stitch into the next stitch, 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. Very easy pattern, just 1 row repeat. Slip stitch, 1/2 double crochet, So you're just gonna keep repeating this across. Next stitch you're gonna make slip stitch, next stitch make half double crochet, next stitch make slip stitch, next stitch make half double crochet, like that across. So at the end of row 2, I have the same 18 stitches across, and for row 3 to row 88, I'm gonna repeat row 2, and I should have about 18.5 inches. Okay, let me show you a little bit on row 3. Repeat row 2, chain 1 and turn. Slip stitch into the first stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, like that. Slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet. Easy peasy. Alright, I'm gonna keep repeating row 2 until I reach the end of row 88, and I will be back. Good luck. Okay, now I'm at the end of row 88, and my headband reached about 18.5 inches. So this is gonna be the circumference, okay? Let me show you. See, 18.5 inches. This is without stretches, okay? Keep that in mind. This is pretty stretches as well. See here? So yeah. Alright. This is the end of row 88, and then after that, I already went ahead and cut the yarn already. Make sure to leave a long tail enough to sew the ends together here. So after I cut the yarn, I'm just gonna pull my yarn out like that, and then I'm gonna sew the ends together by using my yarn needle. And it doesn't matter which side you choose to be the right side or wrong side. It's reversible. So I'm just gonna hold it like this, and I'm just gonna sew back and forth. So my tail, I will call this come from the front side. I'm just gonna insert into the first stitch on the back side there, like that, and then insert into the same stitch one more time just to lock the yarn. And you can use any method you prefer. You also can use slip stitch or single crochet to join as well. Totally up to you. So I insert into the next stitch on the back, on the front side here, and then next stitch on the back side. Pull it up, and then next stitch on the front side, next stitch on the back side. I insert into both loops. Okay, next stitch here, next stitch here, bring it up, next stitch here, next stitch here, bring it up, next stitch here, next stitch here, bring it up. Alright, I'm gonna keep sew till the end. Okay, now I'm at the end here. I just need to weave the end. That's it. Okay, I'll show you. So I'm just gonna tie those in together. Just extra secure. That's what I like. One more time. And then hiding my tail. And you're also gonna hide this tail as well. I'm gonna go back and hide it later. So this is gonna be the inside because I don't want this sew to be on the right side. So I'm gonna turn the right side out. Here's what it looks like. So this is gonna be on the back, so it's not gonna show that much. And that's it. Very easy, right? I hope you enjoy making this headband. If you did, please give this video a big thumb up and share this video with your friends. I will appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.